Welcome to mini dairy unit. Now you are looking for the several components in our mini dairy unit. This is packaging unit which consists of pasteurizer, homogenizer and storage tank which comes for packaged milk of 500 ml, and coming to manual kava pasteurizer which helps in semi-manual pasteurization of milk, and it is our incubation chamber which helps to maintain curd. Now let's see how to prepare a curd. Preparation of curd starts from boiling milk till 90 degrees temperature. We were adding milk in kava pasteurizer for manual heating, and then it was cooled between 30 degrees centigrade and 20 degrees centigrade to 40 degrees centigrade of temperature. Now you are seeing the process of cooling curd. Now it was added and kept in incubation. For example, for 100 liters of milk, 120 grams of day before yesterday's or previous days curd should be added. According to the fermentation process of that current, for the current temperature, culture was being adjusted in milk. Now we are adding culture. We are using the heritage one which was FSSAI approved, and then after collecting the milk from outlet, it should be placed in an incubation chamber to maintain perfect temperature for lactobacillus production, which helps in curd production. After closing the incubation, merely in 6 to 7 hours curd is prepared. Now let us see how the preparation of rabadi takes place. First of all, addition of milk into pasteurizer and let it heat till it crosses 100 degrees centigrade. After that, let me say you about rabadi. Rabadi is a traditional sweet mostly consumed in eastern part of India. Rabadi is also a form of corn too. Now come back to the preparation. The preparation of rabadi takes place in majorly 4 hours. To avoid constant heating and forming a black residues, it should be stirred continuously, manually either and mechanically. After that, we should add sugar after reaching 100 degrees centigrade, and then it started to be solidified. After addition of sugar, rabadi was being cooled, and then it will be taken out for storage purpose. The final output will be in pale yellow color or some reddish brown color. For flavor purpose, ilachi should be added at the last while removing. Now let's see paneer preparation. For paneer preparation, milk is added and pasteurized till 90 degrees. The difference between the curd and paneer production is the milk is pasteurized till 90 degrees, and in paneer production it will be cooled down till 70 to 80 degrees centigrade in between. Coming to the curd, it will be 30 degrees centigrade to 40 degrees centigrade in temperature. Coming to the addition of, for maintaining 70 degrees to 80 degrees temperature of milk, citric acid should be added for preparing, and the citric acid should be mixed with chilled water, and the mixed one should be added continuously and uniformly while stirring. And then the chana separated from whey, it should be kept in muslin cloth and placed in a paneer presser to removal of excess water. And from 3 to 4 hours of time period after pressing paneer, the fresh paneer is prepared and it can be served.